Welcome to Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals AZ900. So in this whole course, I will be teaching you that how you can crack AZ900, what is the role, what exactly you will learn in AZ900. So we will start from the first understanding that the course objective, right? Now we have to focus on the key domains. There are basically three parts, okay? So the first one is a cloud concept, right? You can see here, the first one is cloud concept. Second one is Azure architecture and services. Now this is just a percentage that these type of questions you will get into your exam, correct? And we will let you know the how you have to crack this exam at the last. So this is just the percentage. That percentage basically having the set of questions which is going to come in the exam. Now, this is the module one, cloud computing. In this, you will learn about some fundamentals of Microsoft Azure, the introduction and cloud computing, shared responsibility model, and the cloud models. Now, what exactly the Azure, right? What is the Azure things? So, if you have learned about something Microsoft, Amazon, Google, so every company, basically these are the very big companies who have their own certification, who have their own cloud. Now Azure is the part of Microsoft. That's why we called it Microsoft Azure. And whereas in the GCP, that is related to Google, and AWS is related to Amazon. Now this Azure gives you the free subscription, which we will let you know that how you can freely access the portal. So just let me give you some glimpse. Okay. So here is the portal. This is the one of the link, basically one of the web portal from where you can access this cloud from anywhere in the world. Wherever you are, you just required one of your internet and that's it, one of your account here. And with the help of this, you can log in into the cloud. You can do whatever you want, right? So this is how it looks like, the Azure one. And let me again go to this slide. Now, what you are going to learn with this Azure certification. So the cloud basics, how you can create the VM, what are VMs, what is the networking concept in cloud, how you can manage the infrastructure, how you can increase the storage, what are different compliance tools, how you can manage the cost, right? All these things you are going to learn in the Microsoft Azure AZ900. Okay, so what you are going to learn, there is three parts, as I said, okay, three learning paths which we are going to cover in this whole course, and why you should take this course, right? Why you should take this AZ900. So it's very ideal for beginners, right? You can prepare for the AZ900 with this course, and we will also help you to crack it.